أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Okay, we had done this lesson number 5, that is about I'rabul Ism, the I'rab of noun. And we talked that this is something very special in Arabic only. It has no example in any other language. Okay, so that's why it is very important topic to be understood. And Alhamdulillah, you people have understood it. Here we say that there are 3 types of I'rab. The Yani Arabic noun changes its original form, right? I'm reading from here. Arabic noun changes its original form or the case ending under different grammatical condition, right? What is I'rab? That the Arabic nouns keep changing their position, their original form, okay, depending on the grammatical condition. For example, Allahu, okay, ending on. So this ending movement we will see that here Allah has Dhamma, okay, and this is its original form. This is called nominative case, okay, and in Arabic we call it halatul jar, sorry, halatul rafa. Then it may change to Allah, okay, the ending movement you see, it's with fatha, and that is accusative case, halatun nasb. And then genitive case, we have genitive case called halatul jar, okay. Likewise, Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin, right? So these last movement, last letter movement, last letter harakat keeps changing, and these changes have different names. The original form is called halatul raf, and then accusative case halatul nasb, and then genitive case halatul raf, halatul jar. Okay, and we had seen that these Arab sometimes are with harakat, changing with harakat, I mean with movement, like as I told you, with we recognize halatul rafa with the dhamma and halatul nasb and jar with fatha and kasra, right? This is called Arab haraka, because these are harakat, fatha, kasra, dhamma, these are harakat. So these are Arabul harakat. But we saw in tasniya and in jama, right, that sometimes, like what is in tasniya, the original form or the halatul rafa is muslimani, right? So we are not recognizing through fatha, kasra, dhamma, but we are recognizing through huruf, i'rab bil huruf, right? I'rab bil huruf. Huruf means which huruf? Alif, noon, right? Muslimani, we recognize it with alif, noon. This is halatul rafa. And halatul nasb and jar we recognize with ya, noon, right? So these are the changes for huruf. Alif is a harf, noon is a harf. So alif changes into ya. So these are i'rab bil huruf, right? In tasniya. In jama also. Uh, in jama also, waw, noon, we recognize halatul raf with waw, noon, and halatul nasb and jar with ya, noon. Okay, so waw and ya are huruf. So that's why these are i'rabul huruf. I believe till here it's very clear for everyone. I want any volunteer to be on mic, please. Nashmi, may I request you to come?
Yes, Miss Rifat. Okay.
Are you comfortable?
I am. It's okay.
Okay, just a minute. Alarm is ringing and nobody's turning it on. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I'm sorry.
Alaikum assalam.
Okay. So Nashmi, whatever I revised with you, is that clear?
Yes, yes, Mr. Fit.
Okay, Alhamdulillah.
We did this, Alhamdulillah. We did
Yeah, we have
this.
done it.
Yeah.
Today, a
Yes.
little bit more, I just want to tell you, right?
Okay.
The same topic. Okay?
Okay.
That's why I just revised it once. Okay, these
Okay.
are the notes. Okay? Some notes are there related to the same topic. We skipped it before, but I thought of just going through everything before we move to verbs, right? Today
Okay.
might be our last class on nouns, inshallah, right?
Inshallah.
Next
Okay.
Friday, we
Yes,
might
inshallah.
start verbs.
With
So before
verbs.
going to verbs, whatever little bit things were here and there pending, I want to cover it today. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here, Arab bil harakat. We already discussed the case 1467. They are saying
Mm-hmm.
1467. Yes. One is this, है ना? In singular form,
Yes.
we recognize it
Yes.
through harakat.
Yes.
We recognize through harakat. Four also है ना? Muannas
Mm-hmm.
singular we recognize
Yes.
through harakat. And seven
Yes.
also. Yeah, this one also like jama mukassar yani broken plural also we recognize through harakat, right?
Harakat.
In
Yes.
the other
Yes.
cases 2, 3 and 5. What are 2? 2 is tasniya. We recognize through
Mm-hmm.
letters, right? Huruf.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
3 also they have written 2, 3 and 5. 5 muslimatani, yeah. This one also we recognize through
Yes.
Arab bil huruf and waw noon, right? 3 and
Mm-hmm.
5. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so these two are clear, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, in the new thing which I'm going to tell you is the accusative ending with mean. No, this one, sorry. Yeah, that also is very clear that there is one alif extra. Did you notice here in Musliman? Yeah, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Muslimun in halatul rafa, nominative case, original form,
Yes.
it is with mean with a double dhamma. But when we
Dhamma.
put
Yeah.
it in halatul nasb, it takes one alif extra. Huh?
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
see this one alif extra is there? This one. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Musliman. Okay.
Yes.
So this alif comes extra. Yeah, they have just informed it about
Mm-hmm.
this in here. Okay, the new thing I have highlighted already. According to the Arab, the noun is of two kinds. Declinable, that is called mu'arab. Okay,
Okay.
mu'arab. Yani, it is again from Arab. It accepts the changes of Arab. So if a noun accepts the changes of Arab, it is called mu'arab. Okay,
Okay.
and if it declines the change, it does not change, it never changes,
Mm-hmm.
then it is called mabni. Okay,
Mabni.
yeah,
Okay.
so these are two new terms for you,
Mm-hmm.
mu'arab and mabni.
Yes.
What are
Yes.
mu'arab? Those nouns which accept the changes of harakat or letters, as we
Letters.
discussed
Yes.
before. But some nouns, very few,
Yeah.
they don't
Mm-hmm.
accept these changes, they are
Okay.
always same.
Okay.
Halatul raf, nasb, jar, always same. So they are called
Okay.
mabni. Okay.
Mabni. Okay.
In Mu'arab, like those which change, which accept changes
Changes.
in
Yes.
Mu'arab, declinable, there are further two kinds. Okay. It is further divided into two kinds. First is munsarif. Okay. First is munsarif. And munsarif comes from saraf. Saraf means changes. Like it is a Arabic word which will be used in Quran also, inshallah, when we'll start reading it. Okay. It means to change. So sarf means to change. So munsarif, that accepts change. First declension. Okay. First declension
Mm-hmm.
is that Arab at its end changes under all three different conditions. Munsarif means that it
Okay.
changes in all three conditions. What are three conditions? Halatul raf, nasb, and jar.
Halat.
Okay, like
Jar. Yes.
Muhammadun,
Yes.
Muhammadan, Muhammadin.
Hamadin.
So this
Yes.
is changes in all three categories, right? In all
Yes.
three
Yes.
situations, in all three conditions. So this is called
Mm-hmm.
munsarif. Okay, but
Okay.
some, the
Okay.
second type, Second declension, in this category, the noun does not accept tanween, and
Okay.
in the genitive case, it does not accept jar. Okay, so what is its restriction? That in halat jar also, it does not take kasra. Okay, it
Okay.
takes dhamma. It changes
Mhm.
from fatha to dhamma, sorry, from dhamma to fatha in halat raf, because raf is normal halat, original
Yeah.
form, right?
Original. Yes.
With
Yes.
dhamma. So in
Mm-hmm.
halat nasb, it takes
Fatha.
fatha, but in
Yeah.
halat jar, it does not take kasra.
Okay.
Okay, so this is another category. So partially it accepts, partially does not accept.
Does
That's why
not.
it is ghair munsarif, which changes in all three situations. This is munsarif, but if
Mm-hmm.
it is with some restriction,
Yeah.
that it takes fatha but it does not take kasra, it
Kasra.
changes
Yeah.
in halat nas but it does not change in halat jar, then this is ghair munsarif.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And it does not take two things. It never takes tanween. What are the two things
Mm-hmm.
which it does not accept? It does not accept tanween, plus it does
Yeah.
not accept jar.
Jar.
Okay,
Yes.
these two things it does not accept.
Yes.
But as it accepts in halatul nasb, that's why it is still mu'rab. Here,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
hmm. Nashmi, your voice is very low to me. I don't know. It will
Hello.
come in record. Yeah.
Yes. It's
Now it's
fine
fine.
now.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
Miss.
Now it's fine. I could hear you before. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to see the categories of Mu'arab, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it includes following. غير منصرف, I'm sorry. In Mu'arab, only غير منصرف, because the rest all are منصرف. Whatever they change three conditions, they are all منصرف. But غير
Munch.
منصرف, we need to recognize that what are those nouns which partially accept the change, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so these are categories I have highlighted. Number one,
Okay.
names of women.
Okay.
Okay, either
Hmm.
it is showing like with the goal ta, this ta marbuta, or
Okay.
without this, yani Maryam. Now, it is
Yeah.
very clear, no doubt, that this is the name of a girl. It's a
Correct.
woman
Yes.
name, right?
Yes. Yes.
So all women names, all,
Hmm.
either with
Okay.
this ta marbuta or without it. All women
Yes.
name, they are ghair munsarif. They will
Okay.
never take tanween, they will never take kasra.
Okay.
In halat jar also, it will be showing like halat nasb. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Like for example, an. What is an, Nashmi? An
Sorry,
is
Miss Rifat.
an. Ain noon
Anna.
an.
It's a jar, right?
It's harfe jar.
Harfijar. Yes.
It's harfe jar. So after harfe
Yes.
jar, whatever noun comes, it should take kasra, right?
Correct. Yes.
Hmm.
Correct.
But if I say an Aisha, so I can never say an Aisha. No, it's wrong.
No. Okay.
So
Okay.
in
The
this
name.
case
It's a name
also,
of a. Yeah.
huh, I will say an Aisha. So in
Okay.
halat jar also it takes fatha.
Okay.
So ghair munsrif nouns. Okay, we are talking about the category of
Yes.
ghair munsrif. Remember,
Yes.
in Mu'arab
Yeah.
there are two kinds. First is munsarif,
Munsharif.
takes all the
Yes.
changes, which accepts all the
Accept.
changes. Okay, but
Yes.
ghair
Yes.
munsarif does
There are
not accept
conditions.
two
Yeah.
changes. It does not
Yes.
accept tanween. It does not accept jar, kasra.
Jar. Yes.
So when there is a need of halat jar, it still keeps in halat nasb. Okay,
Nasb only.
because it
Okay.
takes halat nasb, na?
Yeah. Even if there is a harfijar.
Yeah, or even if it
Yes.
becomes mudafile. What are the two conditions, Nashmi, that a noun can be in halat jar? There are only two conditions that a noun can be
Correct.
in halat jar, right?
Yes.
What are those two conditions? Number one,
One there will be harfijar,
harf jar, yes. The second,
and other one the possession,
yeah, possession, yeah. It
the
becomes
kasra.
mudafile.
Yeah.
Okay. There is another
Kasra at the
noun,
end, right?
mudaf, yeah. And then the second noun becomes mudaf ilay. Okay, it shows
Yes.
possession, and then mudaf ilay is always in halat jar, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Yes.
so these are the two cases na, that a noun can be in
Yes.
halat jar, but in those
Yes.
both cases, uh, uh, these ghair munsrif nouns will remain in halat nasb, like it will look like halat
Yes.
nasb, but we will say they are in
Okay.
halat jar, but they will not accept kasra, remember, right? So I
Okay.
told
Yes,
you an
correct.
Aisha, uh, because an is harf jar, it should come
Correct.
an Aishati according to the rule, but as it's a
Correct.
ghair munsrif noun, so it never
Mm-hmm.
takes kasra.
Yes.
An
Yeah, because
Khadijata, an Maryama,
mm,
like an,
yes.
because you will see this in the books of ahadith. An means from,
Yes.
that this hadith
From.
is narrated from Aisha, but it never takes
Yes.
Aishati. Is that clear? The names of
Yes.
women. Next is
So
names of, acha, they say
fro-
prophets and angels. I had a problem with this, but as it's written in the book, I cannot delete it. Not all the prophets, like Muhammad
okay.
sallallahu alaihi wasallam is an
Sallallahu
example.
alaihi wasallam.
It's a name of a
Yes.
prophet, but it is a
Yes.
mu'rab. It is a munsrif
Yes.
noun. It changes in all three
Okay.
conditions, right? A few
Yes.
prophets' name. It should not be names of
Okay.
prophets. It should be few prophets.
Few. Okay.
And it is said that they are not Arab names. That's why. The reason is not that they are
Okay.
prophets' name. The reason is that they are non-Arab names. They are either
Okay.
Hebrew or like some other languages,
Okay.
Latin maybe. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so few names only. An angel's name, Harut, Marut, these
Yes.
are angels,
Marut.
Jibreel,
Yes.
Mikael. You will never say
Yes.
Mikaeli. No, you will never say
No.
Jibraili. No, never. Okay, or
Okay. Okay.
Jibrailun. Never you will see.
Mm-hmm.
It does not take tanween, it does not take kasra. Ghair munsarif means two things. It does not take
Yes.
tanween, it does not
Tanween.
take kasra,
Kasra. Correct.
right? So name
Yes.
of few prophets, you can say that
Yes.
you can say non-Arab names actually. It should be
Okay.
non-Arab names and the
Okay.
names of angels, okay? Yusuf is one
Angels.
of them. Ibrahim is
Yes.
one of them. These are prophets'
Okay.
name. It is said like
Yes.
our teacher, my sheikh, told me that they are non-Arab name. That's why they are ghair munsarif.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Third category is nouns on the pattern of af'alu. This is a pattern. This is a scale. It is
Yeah.
showing, a comparative degree. Nashmi, we know that there are some degrees, है ना?
Yeah.
According to
In
adjective, है ना?
adjectives. Yeah. Yes.
Comparative degree and superlative degree.
Correct.
So the af'alu is a comparative degree, like better than that. Akbaru,
Yeah.
yani
Comparison. Yeah. Mm.
comparative.
Mm.
Comparative or superlative both come in the same way, but the change is it that we put min in the beginning. If it is
Okay.
if it is comparative, for example, okay, ana
Okay.
yani anti mujtahid, yani I'm sorry, I cannot form it, but yani
Mm.
I am, you are more hardworking than me.
Then
Okay, if it is
yes. Okay.
comparative, then I will put min before
Men.
the degree. Min,
Okay.
meme known
Okay.
min. Then it will become
Okay.
comparative degree. But if I say it without min, it becomes superlative degree. It is
Okay.
like that. We'll discuss inshallah in
Mm-hmm.
detail if it comes next. But right now,
Okay.
I just want to tell you that this af'alu is the pattern of comparative degree. Like akbar,
Okay.
right? When we say Allahu Akbar,
Akbar.
Allah
Yes.
is the greatest.
Yes.
Okay, and we don't put any min, so it becomes kind of superlative degree. Afdal,
Okay.
the most blessed one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. So all nouns which come on af'al pattern, on af'al scale, they are also ghair
Okay.
munsarif.
Okay.
Okay, some other examples are also given. The broken plural nouns, those broken plural which come on the pattern of mafa'ilu or fa'alilu. Example, not all broken, but most of the broken plurals.
Okay.
Example,
Mm-hmm.
masajidu, masakinu. Masakinu comes on fa'alilu pattern. This is just,
Okay.
Nashmi, these are fa'alilu, mafa'ilu. These are just words to make us understand.
Okay.
Okay, so some
Okay.
of the broken plurals also are غير منصرف. Okay, examples are
Okay.
given: مقابر, masajid, mosques.
Yeah,
Maqabir is the
mosque.
plural of domes, right? And
Okay.
madaji, bed.
Bed.
Qawariru, glass.
Glass.
Glass, which glass? The yani glass. My glasses
The
are made of glass. That glass. Qawarir.
okay, like the window sheet and all, right? The
Yeah.
glass. Okay.
Okay, name of men on the pattern of fa'lanu. On this scale,
Okay.
on this pattern, whatever name comes, for example, Rahman, Adnan, Salman,
Okay.
Uthman, okay, which comes
Yes.
on this pattern, these names are also ghair munsarif.
All. Okay.
Name of men ending with ta marbuta.
Okay.
Now, Usama, Usama too, right? This is a
Yeah.
ta marbuta in the end, but we know this is a male name. Before
Yeah.
one category we said all female names, right?
Correct. Yes.
So female names are muannas haqiqi, real gender, right?
Yes.
No, these are real feminine gender.
Real.
But
Yes.
these are because we have seen that this Thai marbuta is the sign of feminine
Feminine.
words,
Correct.
remember?
Yes.
So we
Yes.
call these words that they are non-real feminine words, because really they
Okay.
are male gender, we know them, but
Okay.
looking like
Yes.
word
Physically, it
wise,
looks. Yeah.
because
Yeah.
due to Thai marbuta they are feminine
Correct.
words looking
Correct.
like, right?
Yes.
So kind of this also comes in this category, female names, है ना? But not real,
Yes.
just
Yeah.
word like, in
Correct.
Urdu or Arabic we call it muannas lafzi, that in lafz only, in word only they are muannas,
Okay.
but
Yes.
not
But the
really they
meaning
are
is
muannas.
completely. Yeah.
Ha,
Really, they are like of men.
yeah.
Yeah. Names of men. But when we
If they
look
are
in. Yeah.
ending with I marbuta, so they become like muannas, है ना? Word
Yeah.
wise. So
Correct.
they also like an usamata. Never you will say an usamati. No, and it
No.
never takes tanween. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Next is name of the most countries and cities. They are also ghair munsarif. Okay.
Okay.
Next is nouns ending with alif. Alif maksura
Okay.
or real alif. Yani alif maksura, yani short alif, है ना? In form of kind
Yes.
of fatha, ना?
Okay.
Standing line
Mm-hmm.
kind of. Musa. They didn't put it standing line, but it is a
But yes.
standing line, है ना? Small
Correct.
standing line.
Yes.
Musa, right?
Mm-hmm.
Musa, Aqsa, Adna, these are all examples of Alif Maksura.
Okay.
And if you remember, Nashmi, Alif Maksura is also a symbol of Mu'annath.
Yes.
But
As we
these
as
are
we have
the,
symbol like ta at the end, the same way.
there are three symbols of Mu'annath, right? Ay Marbuta, Alif Maksura, and Alif Mamduda. Do you remember?
I think what is Alif Mamduda?
Mad Alif, this is the next category. See, this one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Fuqara'u,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Rahama'u. No,
Yes.
this is
Yes.
also, yeah, this is also,
Yes.
Alif Mamduda is also the symbol of Mu'annas.
Monas. Yes. Feminine.
Alif
Correct.
Maksura, like short Alif. This is
Short
also
Alif.
with Ya in the end, Ya, but on the last letter, there is a standing Fatha.
Okay.
This is also the symbol of Mu'annas, but again, there are some real gender, like Musa. According to
Yes.
the symbol, this is a this is a feminine noun, है ना? Like
Feminine.
timer
Yes.
buta.
Same.
We
Same.
know
Yes.
this is really real gender. This
It's
is
a real
just
gender. Correct.
non-real mu'annas word.
Correct.
Hope you're understanding.
Yes. Yes.
These are some exceptional cases. Isa,
Mm-hmm.
है ना? Now,
Yeah.
according to the symbol, it is like a mu'annas noun. Because
Yes.
Alif Maksura is the symbol of Mu'annas. But we know it is a real gender and it is a male name. Musa, Isa, right?
Yes.
Huh. So, yani, if you see like all kinds of Mu'annas category, either
Mm-hmm.
through Thai Marbuta or through Alif Maksura or through
Or
Alif
Alif
Mamduda.
Mamduda.
These were the
Yes.
three symbols of Mu'annas.
Correct.
So all
Yes.
these are here. They are all Ghair Munsarif. Okay? All
Yes.
these
Yes.
symbolic Mu'annas,
Hmm.
okay, and the real muannas. This one, first category, the real
Yes,
muannas.
correct. Yes.
Either it's carrying any symbol or not. The real
Yes.
muannas plus the symbolic muannas. I hope it's clear now.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
These all are ghair
Gair
munsarif.
say.
They will never take kasra, they will never take tanween. Sure?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
And some random additional nouns are also there. Few, very few. Those who
Okay.
don't take kasra or tanween. The one is
Kasrat and Meen.
jahannam. You will never say
Okay.
jahannami. Fi jahannama. It is always like that.
Yes. Okay.
You will say in the Quran, never it takes jahannami. No.
Nammi.
It is
Okay.
always jahannama or jahannamu.
Namu.
Or
Okay.
jahannamun. Also, never you will see.
Okay.
So Iblis is also one of them. Fir'aun
Mhm.
and Yajuj and Majuj. Very few
Okay.
are of this category. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, again, always be ready for exceptional cases. Okay.
There
So
are a lot
whatever,
of
huh?
exceptional.
It's okay, yeah. And you know,
Yeah.
in the end, they have written, I'll show you. Okay, let me go there and then I'll show you. In here
Mm.
also, they have written, dear students, if you don't get it, please don't get discouraged. This is just for
Okay.
your, for your information. As soon as
Yeah.
we start reading Quran, and because
Yes.
Quran is a life book for us, it's not that once we
Yes.
will read and we will finish it, and we will keep it aside. It's not like that, na?
Correct.
Throughout our life, inshallah, we'll keep reading
Inshallah.
Quran and these things will keep repeatedly coming to us. So it will be
Yes.
easy for
Correct.
us, inshallah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the exceptions are, we studied that Rahman, Uthman, na,
Yes. Okay.
Du'an, the words which come on this pattern, they are ghair
Mm.
munsarif. But
Mm-hmm.
if alif lam is added to them, Lashmi,
Okay.
then they
Yes.
become yani munsarif. Then they take kasra. They don't become munsarif because still they don't take tanween. But the only
Correct.
thing they accept kasra.
Okay.
They accept kasra
Okay.
if they are coming with alif lam.
Alif
Okay.
lam.
If alif lam is added, or they become 10 minutes left. Okay.
Yes.
Or they become mudaf. Mudafile, if they
Okay.
become mudafile, then they will accept kasra. Okay, example is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So due to this
Yes.
B, okay, because it
B.
was it should be
Okay.
in Halat
Okay.
Jar, so it took Halat Jar because it is Alif Lam added with Rahman.
Yes.
Okay, so
Correct.
Mavaji' was another example, है ना? On the pattern of Mavaji'. We
Yes.
said that on this pattern, masajid, maqabir,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
masakin is another pattern, fa'alil pattern, right? So these also,
Yes.
if it takes alif lam, then it will take kasra, only kasra,
Correct.
right? So
Okay.
anil mabaji'i, alif lam is added here, right?
Yes.
So then it
Yes.
takes kasra.
Okay.
Uh, the occasions as to when, why a noun changes its, yeah, okay. They say that some other cases are there when the noun, why a noun changes its form from nominative to accusative or genitive. I think we have discussed it already. You people know it already, that what are the cases when something comes in halatul nasb or halatul jar. Halatul jar, you know. Halatul nasb, why it comes, we will discuss when we are discussing fi'l.
Okay.
Genitive case, you know, na, why a noun comes in genitive case, hai na, in halatul jar.
Yes.
Two cases
Yes.
only. I have
Yes.
explained you two cases, but this
Yes.
accusative case we will discuss when we are discussing verbs, inshallah.
Verbs.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, the second category, quickly, let's go. That was mabni. Remember, the beginning we said
Yes.
that there are uh, two types of i'rab, mabni and
Yes.
mu'rab.
Mu'arab.
Mu'rab,
Yes.
the ones which change, which accepts change, either
Yes.
partial or completely.
Yes.
The ones which completely accept the change are called mu'rab, declinable,
Yes.
and the one
Yes.
which partially changes, they are called
Hmm.
they are called munsarif. In mu'rab, munsarif and ghair munsarif. Partially
Yes.
changes ghair munsarif and completely changes munsarif. Clear?
Correct.
And there were the second category, mabni. What were mabni? Indeclinable. Never accept any kind of change.
Change.
Okay, they are mabni, indeclinable. Most of the Arabic nouns, about 90%, are declinable. Either yani munsarif or ghair munsarif, right? They are mu'rab.
Yes.
90% are mu'rab. And in mu'rab, either they will be munsarif, most are munsarif, and some are ghair munsarif. But few, like maybe 10%, are mabni,
Okay.
indeclinable, or they remain static or stationary, never changes. Okay,
Okay.
so let's see what are those personal pronouns. Huwa, huma, hum,
Yes.
anta, antum. We know that they never change, right?
Yes.
Tilka, ulaika, haulai. It is always haulai. It is not haulaa or haulau. No, it's never.
No, no.
Whatever is it is, it is like that. Okay.
Correct.
Tilka, ulaika, haulai. And allai, alladhi. है ना?
Yes, correct.
Allati, alladhina. It is always alladhina. Whatever halat is, it is. Right?
Okay. Yes.
Some asmaul istifham. Istifham means interrogative pronouns.
Okay.
Yani ma, what? Man,
Okay.
who? Aina, where?
Okay.
Kaifa, how?
Yeah. Questions.
How many?
Yeah.
How much? Question. Interrogative
Yes.
pronouns. So
Yes.
kaifa is always kaifa. Kaifa means
Yes.
how.
How?
For example, if I say kaifa haluki ya Nashmi, okay?
Yeah.
How are you, Nashmi? Okay? So
Yeah.
kaifa. Kaifa means how. How are you?
Yes.
Kaifa haluk.
Yes.
Okay? It is
Ana, what
always
we say
kaifa.
answer? Answer is Ana bi khair, right?
Ana bi khairin.
Ana bi
Be
khairin.
حرف
Yeah.
جر. Nashmi, be
Correct.
حرف
Correct.
جر.
Yes.
خير.
Yes.
أنا بخير. And definitely if we stop, if we pause, like, so we say أنا بخير. But if you
Khair.
say it
Yeah.
completely, it is أنا بخير.
Khairin. Yes.
Yeah, due to
Correct.
be, right? Okay,
Yes.
so Aina is always Aina. I hope it's clear. And it's not difficult to remember because you will never read them any otherwise, any other way, right? Okay. Possessive pronouns, for example, iyahu, iyakum, iyaya, these all are always same. Alif maksura, hai na? We saw alif maksura, and like dunya, Musa. I told you it never changes. Musa is always Musa. Dunya is always dunya. So these are mabni. Nouns with personal pronoun. For example, alami. If I want to say my pen, so even if it really in any halat it will be a qalami only because this I have added na, so it can't take this qalam, can't take now tanween or can't take now yani dhamma fatha, because due to this it has to take kasra, so it always will be in this form qalami. But I think this should not be under this because we understand that this is due to Okay, basically these are the mabni. Yani anta, antum, antum, etc. Alladhi, allati, etc. And these interrogative pronouns, etc. Aqsa, adna, Musa. Okay, clear? Any question till here? Quickly, girls.
There is always a topic we learn, and that that goes so easy. That suddenly additional exceptions, a list of exceptions.
It's okay. These are problematic in the beginning, and believe me, Nashmi, when I was learning first time, I thought, oh my God, how can I do it?
Yeah.
But I am living example in front of you that yes, we can do
Yes.
it. Yes, Vinita.
Sometimes. Okay.
Yeah, Miss, I wanted to ask, these noun with like you gave example of Alif Maksura and all.
A bit louder. I think some problem is there with my speaker.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can, but little bit louder.
Okay. I wanted to ask, this Alif Maksura and, you gave the example of Musa and all. They were also there in Ghair Munsarif and they're also in Mabni, right?
Yeah, in Munsarif, what we studied about them, that
That
they
they're
are,
partially.
they are, just a minute.
That in halate rafa it takes kasra, but not in.
nahi.
No. It's always in halate rafa. No.
For example, I think this category shouldn't be here. This alif maqsura category shouldn't be here. It is mabni. Adna is always adna. Dunya is always dunya. Just remove this category from here. This
From
comes
where,
in here.
Munsarif?
From
Shall we
ghair
remove it from?
This is
Okay.
mabni. Dunya is always dunya. This category only. This one. This one. Temporarily just remove it from here.
Okay.
Mhm.
The alif maksura category, right?
Okay. Because it is here, na? So here it is correct. Okay. Yeah. Anything else? Okay. So the next we have done this also, the last minute is going on. Yeah, I think rest we have done. Okay. That was the last thing. So let me conclude the class. Okay. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين يا رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.
See you inshallah next Friday.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.